All right, geometry students, we want to look at Unit 1, Lesson 16, which is about more symmetry. The lesson goal for this is I can describe the rotations that take a figure onto itself. So we're going to be looking at how you can rotate a figure and it still looks like the exact same figure, which would mean that it's symmetrical still. All right, some review and new vocabulary. So we have assertion, a statement that hasn't been proven yet. Congruent is anything that's equal to something else. A directed line segment, remember that's a line or a segment giving a specific distance and direction in which you would translate something. Image is the new picture that is made when you transform. Line of symmetry is a line that can be drawn down or across or diagonally through a figure, and if you kind of fold it, they fold right on top of each other, making the two sides equal. Reflection is using a line of some sort to create a mirror image on the other side of the line. Reflection symmetry is when you can draw a line of reflection and the figure folds on top of itself. Rigid transformation, remember, is any transformation that does not change the size of the figure when you make an image. Rotation is just turning an object counterclockwise, clockwise, as much or as little as necessary. Symmetry is just the ability to show that two sides are mirror images of each other with a line of symmetry. Theorem is a proven statement. Translation is just moving something left, right, up, down, diagonally. Our new word is rotation symmetry. A figure has rotation symmetry if there is a rotation that takes the figure onto itself. So the idea here is if I turn the figure, it still looks exactly the same, except the points are in different spots. The only thing that's not allowed is we can't rotate 0 degrees because that would not be moving it. And we can't rotate a full 360 degrees because that would put everything back where it started. All right, for class tomorrow, what we want to do is we want to look at which one doesn't belong. So I have 4 figures here. You need to decide which one doesn't belong, and you need to have a reason why you chose that. Please write that down, bring it to class tomorrow, and that will start our conversations into symmetry. So here in figure A, we have a circle. In figure B, we have a triangle. It looks like 2 sides have been marked congruent. In figure C, we have a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides. That's what the arrows mean if you've forgotten that. And in D, we have a square, it looks like, with either a rectangle or another square attached to it. So what you need to decide is which of these figures would you consider to be not included in this group, and have a reason why you don't consider it to be part of the group. Thanks. See you tomorrow.